Justin Brock with Nickel Realty doing another 360 tour. This time I'm standing in Elmwood Park looking at this home just came up today. 46 Elmwood Park, the city of Tonawanda. Beautiful, beautiful street. That home just sold like 300 grand. This is not a $300,000 home, but it's surrounded by some really nice homes. It's up for $139. It's gross inside, not gross, just super dated. This was a huge mistake in closing this porch. Well, it looks awful. You know, imagine this home could mirror that. That one's really sharp too. Because you're going to want to sit out here. You got this beautiful park right across the street. So this just needs to be an open porch again. It's gross in here. I mean, they even have, they didn't remove the columns. I think this would be a fairly easy job. My guess is the original wood's under this carpet. This shit has to go. They asked me to take off my shoes. I'm honoring their wish. But I hate taking my shoes off in homes. I don't know why. First time I went through this place, I hated it. For some obvious reasons. I mean, who likes a drop ceiling? Who likes paneling? The home's shifting a bit. It is older. But I think at 140, you throw another 40 into this place and you'll have yourself a beautiful home on Elmwood Park. Other side of this wall is a dysfunctional kitchen. I mean, this thing's so strange. This is just gross in here. It's just, and this is even weirder. So you go through like this makeshift 1970s laundry room looking area, and this is your kitchen. I'm 6 foot. I like to think I'm 210, but I'm more like 222. Maybe 227. But shit, this is a tight. This thing is so stupid. This whole wall's got to come down, and it needs to be shored up anyhow. This is going to become another full bathroom. You're going to have an awesome horseshoe kitchen going around here with a massive island here going to that dining room area. It's now going to be your seating area. And we can do all that with that K-loan. So this place is up for 140. You toss 40 into it, you're at 180. I think 40 grand will get you a kitchen and a bathroom. And clean up that porch area. You do have central air. It's not a high efficient unit, but it's decent, it's working. Hot water tank's older. We can take care of all that right in the loan as well. So you don't have to love the house as it sits. You just have to fall in love with the potential. And potentially you have a ton over here. Imagine this all open. Here, open right, looking in the kitchen. Now that becomes the bathroom, because there's no bathroom down here. Oh, this is just gross. This paneling's gross. 3 bedrooms up here, nothing special. I think you just live with them. Paint them. The carpets are beat. This paneling's gross. That border, just the blue, everything about it. This popcorn ceiling, this makeshift closet. Get rid of it. And I think you live with this bathroom. It's not half bad. Put your money downstairs. That porch opened up. The ceiling, yeah, you got a good 8 inches up there. It's all that popcorny crap. Probably easier to rip it down, re-drywall. And then this porch. I think it would look beautiful out here. Yeah, you can even see they just sided around them. All that could be opened right back up. This place is ugly. It'd be nice if somehow you could I was gonna say get a door back here, but you really don't need it. The gate just needs to be put right here. Yeah, so that's not bad. You could reconfigure this a little different because you're going to be knocking this wall out, in my opinion. That's where the island's going. This was that little bump out in the back. It's just screaming as a bathroom to me. At least a half bath. And now again, this is all going to be open looking into the kitchen. Not a bad place. Again, Justin Brock and Nickel Realty, 622-6218. Shoot me a text, give me a call. Come take a look. Look at this place in real life. Talk soon.